Hey everyone, looking for the best file sharing platform in 2025? Today we are comparing Nextcloud versus Filerun, two powerful self hosted tools that help you store, manage, and share your files securely. Let's break it down. Overview. Nextcloud is an open source cloud storage solution like having your personal Google Drive. And Filerun is a simple alternative for file management with a cleaner, lightweight interface. Both offer self hosted privacy but serve slightly different needs. Nextcloud offers full suite features, file sync, calendar, contacts, chat, and integration with Microsoft Office and OnlyOffice. And as for the file run, it is more minimal, focused strictly on file uploads, sharing, and fast preview. If you want more features, Nextcloud wins. For simplicity, file run is better. Performance and UI. Nextcloud's interface can feel heavy but is customizable. FileRun loads faster and is easier to navigate, especially for beginners or teams that just need basic file sharing. Now let's talk about pricing and hosting. Both tools are free to self-host. However, Nextcloud has more active community support and plugins. FileRun has a paid version for more features, but the free edition is quite powerful too. So, which one's best? Choose Nextcloud if you need an all-in-one platform with collaboration tools. Pick FileRun if you want fast, simple file sharing with minimal setup. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which tool do you use. Thank you so much for watching.